It's Caitlin again, and I'm excited to bring you to our Solutions Expo here at PowerPlex. We're going to be bringing you around to some of our partners here today. They've got some really cool things to tell you about and to show you, so come along with me. The first company that we're going to be speaking with is Plex.
Oh, look at the posture adjustment.
This is Steve.
Hi.
Hi, Steve. Thanks so much for joining us. So tell us a little bit about you and what we're going to see here at Plex.
My name's Steve Shalaka. I'm a consulting manager with Plex. My background is accounting and finance, CPA, and I've been with the team about 3 years. The best part about Plex and what we do is we really approach everything Plex from a business improvement process. Just really trying to figure out how to make it better. It's not just software, it's really how does it work better for you.
Awesome. Anything else that viewers should know about Plex, or do you want them to go check out anything in particular?
If they're going to check out anything, I direct them to plantmoran.com. But really, it's just we're a full service firm. So the best part is it's not just Plex. It's if you have other business issues, we can help you with that as well.
Thank you.
Great. Thank you.
Nice job, Steve.
Hello. Our next stop is Systems X, and I'd like to introduce you to Ruben. Ruben, tell us a little about yourself and Systems X.
Sure, thank you. I'm Ruben Spradamo. I'm the president of Systems X Corporation. We are a Plex implementation partner that specializes in implementations in North America and Mexico. And we've expanded to doing implementations beyond the Mexico market as well. We're implementing in Asia as well. And we also have a managed service practice where we help a lot of our customers with all of their IT needs. So we support all of the peripherals that are needed to make Plex a successful platform in the plant floor.
Excellent. Are we showcasing anything in particular here? Are these some cool giveaways that we have?
We have mints, we have hand sanitizers, pens. Today we raffled off an iWatch and somebody was super happy to get that. And the challenge was now you got to get it connected to Plex. So it was great, and this has been an awesome conference. Very happy to be here and just thrilled to hear all of the success stories from all of the customers that are using Plex.
Awesome. Well, thank you for being here, and thank you so much for your time. We
Thank you
appreciate
very
it.
much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hi, we are here with Revolution Group. Tell us a little bit about Revolution Group.
Well, I'm Chris Blackwell with Revolution Group, and Revolution Group is a small consulting firm based in Westerville, Ohio, suburb of Columbus. And we have been a Plex implementation partner for over 15 years.
Awesome. Are you showcasing anything in particular here today, or are there any particular questions you're getting from people who are stopping by?
No particular questions.
Okay.
I mean, a lot of the install base and Plex customers know of us. We have an impeccable reputation in the community.
Yep.
One thing that we talk to our customers about is this, what we call a journey to continuous improvement. Mm-hmm. So we like to illustrate that every ERP customer is on this continuum of total dysfunction to optimal functionality. So somewhere in between.
Yep.
And so our goal is to take folks that are using Plex, maximize their ROI, their investment in Plex, and bring them along that continuum closer to this optimal, environment.
Absolutely.
So,
thank you so much for your time, for telling us a little bit about you.
thank you.
All right.
So, as I said to the Catherine's works for
Ducky.
Well, I don't want to take away from them. You can fill in.
Oh yeah. That's why we're not here.
He's got the other ones.
All right, we are here with Cumulus, and Craig, tell us a little bit about Cumulus.
Yeah, so we're a Plex partner. We do implementations. We're a certified development partner. We also do machine integration. So some of our specialties are we make mobile applications. We do a lot of integration for Plex customers, point of sale, different fill the gaps, different things that Plex doesn't have available. So we're creating right now our own ecosystem of third-party market applications to offer Plex customers to kind of bring Plex into the market, like where other cloud-based systems have marketplace.
That's exciting.
Yeah, so we have some RFID stuff that we're working on over here.
Excellent.
So put away, shipping, material handling. We have our Cumulus web application, which is a Chrome plugin application that does 3D truck cubing, UPS, FedEx integration, a lot of different things. We have Jolly Ranchers. We built an iOS app that allows Plex customers to print their barcode labels off an iPad. So that's pretty unique. And then over here, we have our machine integration going on, which is our cornhole.
And if I could jump in here, we actually have a special guest with us today, Jason Blessing, the CEO of Plex Systems. So we're going to demonstrate for you what we're going to talk through here.
Yeah. So Jason and Mike will demonstrate the cornhole process here.
Thank you.
So as they throw the bags on the board, go ahead. As they throw the bags on the board, we're actually capturing the bags with some cameras, 3D vision systems, and some sensors, and we're recording production right now in the Plex system off of these cornhole boards. So just to kind of show off what we can do with machine integration and how easy it is to tie things in with Plex.
Absolutely, this is so cool.
And
So the iPad, when we're done, we just hit the done button, and it actually takes and records 6 parts in the Plex and the KPR and the T-Mac drive, and prints the label behind them. So I can do the other one, and you can.
Do you want to see the?
Yeah, it's gonna print out.
yeah, we just got a label here.
So Jason 1, is that what I'm?
Yeah.
Mike's schooling me.
Yep.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks,
All right.
guys. It's awesome. It's a cool location.
We are here again with Patty of Control+M. And Patty, tell us a little bit about you and your organization.
I'd be happy to. I started out as a Plex customer in 2007, and I implemented with Plex GSS. I love the experience of converting to Plex so much that I quit my job to do it full time. It's my 10th PowerPlex. It's my 8th year as a presenter on PowerPlex. We're all Plex all the time here at Control Solutions. So our goal is to, if you're doing an implementation, we want to give you the best experience for an implementation you can have. If you're already on Plex and you want to expand your use of Plex, well then we're the ones that come in that can help you either do turnover training, implement new modules, that type of thing. And as you can see from our beach-themed, our beach-themed signage here, we really like to, yes, my pets, we really like to make people feel calm and relax during the experience. So it's we realize it's a difficult thing. And changing your ERP system is like having a heart transplant, right? So Plex is the blood that takes the oxygen through your body. Plex takes the data through your system. And when you go in for a heart transplant, your doctor's going to talk to you about lifestyle choices. What are you doing that's going to make this more successful, less successful, that type of thing. We did the same thing with Plex. And we want you to have a great heart transplant and be much stronger after than you were before. That's our goal here.
We love that analogy, and you actually implemented one of the customers that we showcased during the keynote, is that right?
I did. Wisco Industries, what a great company, terrific folks. They really were very prepared for implementation. They were one of those customers where if I said you guys are going to achieve the best success doing these 15 things, by golly, they did them all 15 and before they needed to be done and extremely well.
That is awesome.
They're a terrific company. I'm so pleased to be associated with their success.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Patty. We appreciate your time.
Thank you for stopping by.
Of course. We are here with Peter of Baker Tilly. Peter, tell us a little bit about Baker Tilly and what you have going on here today.
Sure. Well, thank you. Baker Tilly, we are an international professional services firm. We have been a Plex Alliance partner since 2006. What the people are interested in is definitely our Industry 4.0, which is where business is going.
Yep.
It allows us to really focus on what's important for organizations, and this is a maturity model where we look at the various levels, which helps gauge where your organization is at by using the Plex manufacturing cloud, as well as your operational processes. So we look at data management, business strategy, mobility, product development, everything that it takes to make a company successful in alignment with the Industry 4.0 model.
Absolutely, and Industry 4.0 is one of the things that we touched on during the keynote, so top of mind for all manufacturing organizations.
Very much so, definitely. Yep, it was Industry 1.0 with the steam engine all the way to modern business intelligence with the Industry 4.0.
Absolutely. I did notice that you guys have a Twitter promotion going on. So, Steve, if you want to zoom in a little bit here just about how people can get involved, start following Baker Tilly Cloud on Twitter, tweet a picture with us, so feel free to stop by the booth in the Solutions Expo, and then make sure that you include these. So, you go in Amazon Echo Dot. I think it's really awesome that you guys are doing that, so be sure to stop by.
Great.
Awesome.
Thank
Peter,
you.
thanks so much for your time.
You're welcome.
All right, we are here with Core's Engineering, and we have Doug with us. Doug, what is Core's Engineering showing today?
Core's Engineering, we do PLC integration, so we help the customers' machines talk to Plex and automate all the transactions.
Very cool. And you have a demo happening here today, is that right?
Yeah, we always have fun. Last year we made a Skittles sorter. The problem was everyone was eating the Skittles.
Oh no!
And they were getting dirty. So this year we made a ping pong ball sorter. You caught it at the perfect time. It picks up the ping pong ball. It checks its color. If it's orange, it's good. And it fills up the bin. When the bin is full, it automatically drops them and records production in Plex and prints barcode labels on the barcode label printer.
What a cool system for you guys to build.
Yeah, it demonstrates our capabilities, because what we then can do is all of these screens that show all of that data that's been happening throughout the day. So this is today's data down here.
Are attendees totally blown away by what you've built here?
We actually did it because it's almost hypnotizing. People just stand there and watch it, and we have to go break them away. We've got some Skittles to remind them of last year.
Sounds good. Well, thank you so much for being part of the Solutions Expo. We appreciate your time.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming by.
Thank you. All right, well, that wraps our quick tour of the Solutions Expo. If you have not checked it out already, please do. And for everybody watching from home or for work, make sure you go online, check out some of our partners doing really exciting things. Thank you.